We're in the Anderson Accelerator, and this is where our students are creating and turning ideas into businesses.
Our job here is simple. It's to provide student and alumni companies with a path to success.
We have 2 6-month cohorts of 10 to 12 teams each, an additional 200 MBA students who participate in our activities each year, and the demand just keeps exploding.
My name is Shireen, and I'm the founder and CEO of EvalueMe. My startup, EvalueMe, creates inclusive workplace cultures. And we're not just impacting companies, it's also government, academics. Really, we can change any organization worldwide.
Wildfires are destroying California, and they're getting worse and worse every year. So what we're trying to do is use our unique drone technology to help firefighters more efficiently and safely fight those fires. We are Panoramic Aerospace. Invest with us in a safer aerial surveillance future.
We moved really quickly as soon as we stepped into the accelerator. We joined here in August. 4 months later, we got our first customer signed up. We had revenue flowing through the door, and then shortly after we were cash flow positive. 3 months after that, we actually received an acquisition offer from one of our users, our clients. Very quickly after that, they acquired a majority stake in our company.
This is what it's all about. So I want you to get involved. Influence outcomes. Be part of the solution. Our society depends on the support that you can provide in making these businesses a reality for all of us.